Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, this is my mic check. I know my mic is working according to my software. Uh, Welcome. I have read 20% of your writing homework assignment. So far. Now, of course, this is your first writing assignment from me. Uh, a number of you did access my YouTube videos. You have a problem listening to me, Mr. Fukunaga? Maybe you should use headphones or make your volume higher or use a notebook computer instead of your smartphone. Every team's story was a little bit different. But your main topic was the power of story and the danger of bad PowerPoints. Those are the main points that I wanted to communicate to you. So from next week, I expect to hear 8 different stories because you are 8 different teams, 8 different groups of people. You won't be saying the same thing. So we will all hear different opinions, which helps stimulate your thinking. Mr. Phillips, in doing the presentation about the power of story, look at him. Dark suit, dark tie, white shirt. Everything about his personal presentation is communicating authority. He knows what he's talking about. The same man, Mr. Phillips. Very casual, still business casual. A brown sweater, a tan shirt, no tie, and very theatrical. His body language, his gestures. First of all, he's trying to get his audience to relax. And he wants them to remember, so he's stimulating their angel's cocktail. Physical presentation, how you look. What you do is the main thing people watch. So, now I only have two screens, so your next reading and writing assignment. Second reading and writing assignment. Now, it's as important to read as it is to write. Here is your second reading and writing assignment. 1 page, minimum, 6 paragraphs, 600 words, minimum, essay about your opinion. Now, the conclusion of my story, I will know if you copy and paste. Don't do it. Do your best. This is a communication chance to share your thinking with me. And I get up. After I've stimulated, we communicate by telling stories. What is a story? Well, a story has a beginning, a middle, and an end. For us, academic business world, the beginning is the introduction. You introduce your topic. You explain your topic. And then the middle. The middle is the supporting information. Supporting information. This, ladies and gentlemen, is when you quote from your data. Quoting is intelligent copy and paste. And then the end, the conclusion. You introduce your topic. You support your topic. Why are you writing about it? And then the supporting information. What is important for your readers, your listeners, the audience, to understand about your topic? And then your conclusion. What do you want to prove, explain, reason for your topic? Example, AK-47. High-tech killing machines, man-portable. What is an AK-47? Well, it is a tried and true military weapon produced by the Soviet Union in its big struggle against Nazi Germany. Very easy to produce. The most sophisticated part of the weapon is the barrel. It takes the most time and effort to machine it. But after it's machined, it is very strong. Some AK-47 variants have been used over and over again to kill people very efficiently. You're all watching me. You're all listening to me. Introduction, support, conclusion. I don't have to say a conclusion. From next week, you have 2 weeks, 2+ weeks to do your writing assignment. I use plagiarism software. It is good. Plagiarism is the adult word for copy and paste. Don't do it. Well, you know those funny little marks, quotation marks? You have to put them at the beginning and at the end of the sentences that you take from the article. You can only use 1 or 2 sentences in a paragraph. I read 16 papers. And there's recurring data. There were recurring sentences in each of the papers. The first time I read it, I didn't recognize that. But ladies and gentlemen, I am a scientist and an engineer. I'm trained to watch for patterns. When one of you copy and paste, can't notice But if you all copy and paste, I see the same sentences over and over again. Don't do it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's enough for today. Be careful out there. I will see you next Monday. Ladies and gentlemen, have a good weekend. I'm sorry, this is Monday. My calendar is off. Anyhow, have a good week. Good luck. Leaders, make your team members join a discussion. Thank you very much. Goodbye.